Welcome to this interactive study breakdown on the philosophy of the soul, mind, and body. This topic is central to WJEC A-Level Religious Studies. We will explore the key philosophical positions, substance dualism, as argued by Plato and Descartes, and monist views from Aristotle, Ryle, and Dawkins. By the end, you will understand not just what each thinker believed, but why their arguments succeed or fail. Let's begin with a concept map of the main theories. Here is your mind map. At the top, substance dualism claims mind and body are separate substances. Plato's soul is immortal and pre-exists. Descartes defines mind as thinking and body as extended. Below, monism rejects separation. Aristotle says soul is the form, the organizing principle, of the body. Ryle and Dawkins go further, arguing that there is no non-physical entity at all. This map will guide our exploration. Turning to our core notes, Plato's charioteer analogy presents reason controlling the two horses of spirit and appetite. The soul is immortal and exists before birth. In contrast, Aristotle's hylomorphism sees the soul as the form of the body, like the shape of a statue. They are inseparable. The soul is not a ghost, but the very function of a living body. This distinction is crucial for your exam. Let's see the process of the debate. Plato set the stage with radical dualism. Aristotle responded with a unified view. Descartes revived dualism but left an interaction problem. How does immaterial mind move material body? Ryle dismissed this as a category error, saying the mind is not a thing inside the machine. Dawkins uses evolution to argue consciousness arises from brain processes alone. Each step challenges previous assumptions. Let's work through a typical exam question. Start by clearly defining substance dualism. Then present Plato's and Descartes' arguments. For evaluation, raise the interaction problem. How does mind move body? Add Ryle's critique. The mind is not an extra entity. Finally, note that modern neuroscience shows mental states depend on brain activity, weakening dualism. Conclude that while dualism captures our intuition, monism is more parsimonious. Watch out for common mistakes. Many students mislabel Aristotle as a dualist. Remember, his soul is the form, not a separate substance. Also, always mention Descartes' interaction problem and Ryle's category error when evaluating dualism. And be precise. Plato's soul is immortal and is the true self. Aristotle's soul dies with the body. These distinctions earn you marks. To wrap up, dualism claims two substances, monism claims one. Plato and Descartes are dualists. Aristotle, Ryle, and Dawkins are monists. Critical evaluation hinges on the interaction problem and scientific evidence. Remember to use precise terminology like residential extensor and category error. For your exam, compare arguments clearly and weigh strengths against weaknesses. You are now ready to tackle any question on this topic.